Hypericum androsaemum information. Hypericum androsaemum, commonly known as Tutsan, is a species of flowering plant in the family Hypericaceae. It is native to Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia. The plant grows as a deciduous shrub and can reach up to 1.5 meters in height. It has smooth, oval-shaped leaves that are about 5 centimeters long and 2.5 centimeters wide. The plant produces small, yellow, 5-petaled flowers that are about 2 centimeters in diameter. These flowers bloom in the summer and are followed by dark red berries that are about 1 centimeter in diameter. Tutsan is known for its medicinal properties and has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. It is particularly useful in the treatment of wounds and burns, as well as for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. The plant contains a number of compounds that are believed to be responsible for these medicinal properties, including hypericin, hyperforin, and flavonoids. Tutsan is also grown as an ornamental plant in gardens and landscaping. It is hardy and easy to grow, and can tolerate a wide range of soil types and growing conditions. However, it can become invasive in some areas and should be carefully managed to prevent it from spreading beyond its intended area.